Hey lovelies, welcome back to Dazzle with Care. If you're new, then I am Pooja Nanda. I make videos on makeup and skincare. So if you're interested, then do subscribe, hit the notification bell down below, and you can also follow me on my Instagram. So summers have already started and we face a lot of issues in summer while doing makeup. We all want our makeup to look good throughout the day. It should not budge, and at the same time we don't want heavy makeup at all in summer. So that's the reason in this video I'm going to show you how to do summer makeup with minimal products and the makeup that will last you for a longer time. So now without wasting any time, we'll see how to do this makeup. Let's go. So agree or not, in summers we feel really very thirsty, and for that we need to drink lots of water just to hydrate our skin. If our skin is hydrated within, it will glow naturally. So I like to drink a lot of water all the time, and especially before starting my makeup I rub an ice cube on my face to get that natural glow. Now I'm going to start with my makeup. Firstly, I'll use this inside primer to fill my pores. I have acne prone skin, so sometimes because of that I get pores, and we all agree that we have natural pores on our skin, so there's nothing to worry about. But just to get a clean canvas, I use it, and primer also makes your makeup last longer, so this is a really quick fix. After that, because of summers I don't use any heavy foundation. I either go for BB or CC cream. The BB cream I am using is from the brand Mars and the CC cream is from Lakme, but I love the BB cream a lot because of its coverage, so I'm taking that and dotting it all over my face, blending it with my fingers firstly because I feel like this I'll get a better and maximum coverage. After that, I'm using a damp beauty blender and blending my BB cream. I'll also apply it on my neck because my face and neck should almost look similar, because in summers we get different color and it is very weird, to be very frank. Now here you can see the coverage of this BB cream is medium, and that's what I wanted. I wanted my base to look very natural. After this, I'm using a concealer just to brighten my under eyes because it's summer, so I need to look very fresh. After this, I'm going to blending this with same beauty blender, and then I'm going to set my face with a compact powder. So here I'm using Lakme compact powder, and this also has SPF. Use the compact powder which has SPF and apply your SPF every 2 to 3 hours. Like I carry this compact everywhere I go and I just use it after 2 to 3 hours. And after this, I'm going to make my eyebrows. For that, I'm using this Mars eyebrow pencil. I'm going to brush my eyebrows, fill them up and brush it again just to give a clean look, because I think eyebrow makes such a huge difference in your whole makeup. Now for a change, I'm going to use different color eyeliner. This is a Lakme Insta eyeliner in the shade green, making a small and really cute wing, applying same liner on my lower inner corner. So here is a quick tip: apply bright and different color eyeliners in summers. It makes everyone feel that you have made a huge effort to get this look, but that is not the case. It is very easy and hassle free and looks really cute and clean. So now after this, I'm going to apply mascara. I leave all the product details and the shade details on the screen. So I always use 2 coats of mascara, and before this I curl my lashes. Now I'll highly recommend to use cheek tints or creamy blushes in the summers because that stays longer than your powder blushes. So here I'm using the Face Shop's cheek tint. You can use any creamy lipstick or bullet lipstick that you have, it works, but I personally love this one because it gives me such an flushed and natural cheek. After this, I'm going to apply a neutral tone lipstick. This is neutral pinkish tone lipstick, and also going to line my lips as always because I like to shape my lips and give an illusion of a bigger lips, and it also makes my lips look very clean. And after this, I'm going to use a highlighter. This is from the brand Mars. I leave the product details on the screen as I said. Applying this on high points of my face like my nose, in between my eyebrows, in my inner corners, cupid bows, and also on my cheeks. Make sure you don't overdo it. Then I'm going to set my face with Faces Canada makeup fixer, and that is the final look. Wasn't it very quick and hassle free? This looks very cute and simple. You should keep your summer makeup always minimal, and I loved how it turned out, the flushed cheek and that natural glowy base. So I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comment section for any recommendations. So that's it for today's video. I hope you loved this makeup look. Now we'll see you in the next video. Till then, be safe, enjoy your summer days. I love you all like always. Bye.